Have you ever wondered what a kumquat tastes like? Well, today in this video, I will share with you how to eat it and how it tastes like. Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video. This is Long from Green Mangoes, and today, very special video, I will show you how to eat and what it tastes like. Describe what it tastes like when you eat a kumquat. And there are many different types of kumquat, including Meiwa kumquat, Nagami, Fukushu, there's Kalamandan, Calamansi, ranging from large to small, we're going from sweet to tart, and some combination in between sweet and tart together. But for today, this is really special because this kumquat is called Meiwa, and Meiwa is considered one of the sweetest kumquat that you could find. And not only the skin is very sweet, but the flesh inside tastes like orange. So when eating together, it is so delicious. And if you ever had a chance to get your hands on a kumquat like this, you'll be addicted and you'll be eating, pop it in your mouth over and over again, you won't stop. And I've grown this tree for 5 years, and consider this is one of the slowest growing variety that I have in my yard. I have other varieties. The Nagami grow very fast. Kalamandan, which is very sour, tastes like lime. They grow very fast, but this one grows slow. They don't produce as much at first. However, when you do get the fruit, they're so delicious that it's all worth it. And we spent the last few weeks eating off this tree. We still have some. The beautiful part about this tree is continue to produce fruit throughout the year for you to eat. So if you have a chance, again, get your hand on one of this tree, grow at home, in ground or container. They do both fine in ground or container. Cool hardy, it can take the summer heat. So I have success with this in Las Vegas. I'm pretty sure you can have success anywhere in your climate as well. If you learn how to take care of it and know how to baby it and make sure that you protect it in the first few seasons or so. Without further ado, I'll cut this open, show you that inside of this kumquat there are a few seeds that you can spit out. The best way to eat this is just pop it in your mouth and just chew it, and that's the most delicious way. You can hear the crunch and the flesh just run in your mouth, and all this citrus aroma is super delicious. So I will pop this in my mouth right now and give you a review of what it tastes like. Excuse me. There are a few seeds in here. The seeds are a little bit bigger, almost like lemon seeds, so just very easy to spot and spit out. But other than that, very delicious, very crunchy. I will eat this over and over again as a snack, and you will not regret growing this kumquat at all. If you have a chance, give it a try. Or if you have friends who do grow Meiwa kumquat, ask them to buy some of them, or pick of some of their trees and give it a try. You will never regret it. Thank you for watching today, and again, please help me subscribe to my channel if you're new. Also give me a thumbs up as well. Have a wonderful day.